All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another trade recap. I haven't done one of these in a few days now because I haven't taken any trade the last few days. So let's get straight into it. As you can see right now, 11 a.m. AM session has ended, and look at that. We had like a 450 point move. Oh, sorry, no, we opened right over here at 9:30. So we had bro, can you please? Okay, thank you. Yeah, we had a 300 point move to the upside, anyways. And I caught these longs right over here, but unfortunately, it was only on eval. Why? Because I'm gay. Stop. Yeah, no, I'm not gay. I'm joking. It's because for me there was no setup to take over here on like my main funded accounts. Um, I'm very, very close to a big payout right now, so I'm trying to be very selective with my trades right now. I don't want to take trades that I'm not fully 100% confident in. No one could have predicted this 350 point move to the upside. But anyways, let's get straight into market open. So 9:30 right over here. What I can see is that immediately before market open, we are creating this 15-minute fair value gap. All right. So we have this 15-minute fair value gap right over here, and market opens, and we immediately manipulate into it, which is exactly what I wanted to see. I wanted to see a manipulation into that 15-minute fair value gap. First thing, market open. All right. Now, what I'm looking for right now is the highest time frame inversion in the leg. All right, to take the price to take a trade higher. Now, what happened? What happened? No, what happened? What happened was we had. Do you want to load? Okay, perfect. Now, what happened was we had this 4-minute bearish fair value gap over here. So I was waiting for this 4-minute fair value gap to be inverted and then take a long higher. But what ended up happening was we got another manipulation leg. All right. So this is where a lot of people get it wrong. Now we had this manipulation leg into the 15-minute, but then we had a move higher, rejected the 4-minute, and then we had another manipulation leg. So we have this 1 minute, and it got inversed right over here. All right. So we inverse this. Honestly, this should have been my trade. Okay. This should have been my trade, but I decided to wait for the 4 minutes to get inversed just to be more, I'll call it just to be more confident in a trade. All right. So literally same candle, like a same candle later, we had this 4-minute inversion. My stop loss, I entered, I think, close somewhere like this. So I entered around here because I wanted my stop loss to be below um the IFVG, and I didn't want to like have a huge stop loss. All right, so this was pretty much the inversion, and I waited for a retracement, which we got it immediately, and then I entered around over here, and I aimed for this internal high right over here. So for a 1 to 5 hour trade, and then bang, bang, and bang. All right. So this was a trade for today. Now, obviously, if I would have known, again, this is not like a setup I'll take. It is not a setup I personally usually take on like my funded accounts and stuff, like my live accounts. But overall, the draw was pretty clearly the New York opening gap. So, like, as you can see over here, let me go to the hourly. We have this big new week opening gap, which we have now obviously tapped into. So the draw and liquidity has been taken. But overall, I'm still expecting price to completely fill it, fill the new week opening gap. But look at that. Like with my entry, bro, I would have caught a 1 to 10 R trade. Literally no drawdown, 1 to 10 R trade. Like imagine if I held it. Imagine if I actually held it, bro. That would have been a 5K day. No, a 15K day on my funded accounts. Yeah, but obviously I would never held like this much, but this was like literally such an insane trade, such an insane entry as well. But yeah, so today was pretty obvious, pretty clear. Just wasn't expecting like this whole move higher without any retracement, right? So for me to take a trade, I need to see a retracement into a 5 or 15 minute fair value gap. And we got it over here, but again, I wasn't really sure because we just tapped this 1 hour bearish fair value gap right over here. So I wasn't really sure I want to start taking longs from here as well. Like the same moment we tapped a bearish 1 hour. And that was the only 5 minute retracement. We got the whole move up. And then 5 minute over here, 5 minute over here, 5 minute over here, 5 minute. Like we just 15 minute over here, 15 minute over here, 15 minute over. Like we just didn't get any retracement whatsoever. So yeah, that was the only trade I took today. We made around $670 on eval, so I'm like one trade away from passing that. I'm passing a Tradeify select account, daily payouts, of course, which is fucking crazy. So hopefully I'll be adding that very, very soon. And that is pretty much it. So this is my trade recap for today. I made $670 today on eval though, but that is still good. About to pass the eval probably tomorrow. I'll pass it tomorrow. And because of the consistency rule, of course, you can't make more than that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys learned kind of the little trade I took today. And you can benefit from that. Learn for your own trading. Look at that beautiful move today. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. If you want to see my beautiful face on your screen a few more times, feel free to subscribe down below, leave a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.